Okay, this is the hardest to complete in the square gets, and that's because there's a number in front of this x squared. So the first thing we do is we make it look like what we've seen before. And to do that, we take a factor out of 4. So if we take 4 out, we've got x squared. This would be 6 over 4, which is the same as minus 3 over 2x. And then this would be the same as minus a quarter, and that is equal to 0. Now, what we can do is we can get rid of that 4, because when we divide by 4, 0 divided by 4 disappears. What we can then do is what we've done before, so we can write x minus, now this is going to be half, and half of that is minus 3 quarters, and that's squared. We've then got minus a quarter, and we need to take away this squared. Now this squared is 9 over 16, so we take away 9 over 16, and that equals 0. So now we need to take these away. So if we make this out of 16, we're going to have 4 out of 16, take away 9 out of 16, and this is the same, so this hasn't changed. I'm just making them equivalent fractions so I can add or take away. We take them away, got minus 13 over 16. That's equal to 0. So we take that over to the other side. So the numbers don't become not very nice. Now we square root that. It's going to give me a plus or minus 13 over 16. We take that fraction over, and that's how we can write it as an exact value. Okay, next one. Similar thing, so we've got 3's in all of them, so we get the 3 out. So we've got x squared, we can write that as 2x over 3 minus 2 over 3, and that's equal to 0. When we divide by 3, that disappears. So we can write x plus, we halve this, so 2 over 6 squared minus 2/3, and this squared is minus 4 over 36. Now what we can do is we can get both of these to 36, and we'd have to times that by 12, so we've got minus 24 over 36, take 4 over 36, and that's equal to 0. So that gives us minus 28, so x plus 2 over 6 squared is minus 28 over 36 equals 0. Now that simplifies to minus 14 over 18, or minus 7 over 9. So I'm just simplifying the fraction a little bit. So we take that over, and that's plus or minus, remember. So we've got x plus 2 over 6. Sorry, I've taken that over, so it's plus. And now we're going to square root. That's plus or minus. And I'm going to do this all in the same go. We take that over, so I've got minus 2 over 6. So x is minus 2 over 6, add plus or minus the square root of 7 over 9.